That's like literally 3 in a
The
row.
National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bannow County in the Panhandle of Idaho, southern Kootenai County in the Panhandle of Idaho, until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Plummer, or 14 miles west of St. Mary's, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Plummer, Willie, and Chateaulet.
Like, that is crazy. Oh, it's on TV this time. Turn that off.
Until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight, or 14 miles west of St. Mary, nearly stationary. West of St. Mary's, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Plummer, Willie, and Chateaulet.
Like, that is crazy.